All right, so let's validate this product in just a few minutes using DataDive. Come to Amazon, type in my hero keyword. Come down here, click on the button for niche dive. This is going to find 15 of the best-selling cat trees on Amazon. DataDive does some thinking. I click on the button here for dive. All right, DataDive has found me 15 of the best-selling cat trees on Amazon. Now I just click this button that says dive, and then let DataDive do some thinking. Bam, like magic, I'm here inside of the tool. DataDive is going to show me all of the different ways people search for products, a bunch of different stats about the different sellers that are included in this niche. I can look here on the overview tab and already see that this niche is super competitive. Out of the 15 sellers, 13 of them are what we call very strong. Now, I could already see from this niche there's a lot of potential. $3.5 million a month in revenue. That's every single month, $3.5 million. But before you get too excited about that, you got to look here. It's telling us for this niche, there are 13 sellers that are very strong. These are going to be sophisticated, very difficult to beat sellers on Amazon. Now, I'm going to move beyond this and show you the next step, which is filling out the product scorecard. So product scorecard is just a list of questions you're going to answer. And all of this information can be found inside of DataDive. So it's really easy to fill out. It just takes probably about 5-10 minutes. And in the end, you're going to get a score. In this case, our score is a -150. So what this means is that this is a high-risk product. We want to see a score that's very high, very positive. In fact, anything less than a 200, a positive 200 is going to be, you should be careful with that. So we filled out the product scorecard. We get a -150. Okay, that's telling us that it's a pretty risky product. Next thing that we want to do is fill out this profits tool. And this is going to tell us down here at the bottom a budget required to launch. Now, I filled out this sheet in just a few minutes. DataDive will actually do most of the work for you. I just click on the populate button. I select a product that's similar to the one I'm planning on launching, and then I estimate the number of units that are sold every single month. And so you can see down here at the bottom, budget required to launch of more than $500,000. Me personally, I don't have $500,000 that I can use to launch a product. So if I combine the score, the risk score from the product scorecard, which is a -150, okay, high risk product, and then I combine the budget required to launch $500,000, it doesn't matter that I could make millions of dollars a month, let alone millions of dollars a year selling this product. For me personally, I don't have the budget or the risk tolerance to launch this product, so it is going to be a no-go on my end. Now, if you got a little discouraged there and you're thinking, well, Amazon must not be a good business opportunity, there's going to be too much competition, too much risk, this is the power of DataDive. You're able to do the entire workflow that I just showed you in the last few minutes. You can do this in about 15 minutes per product. So when you get a bunch of different product ideas, you can go rapid fire, bam, 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 bam. You validate dozens and dozens of products. Most are going to be a bad idea. Most are going to be too competitive. But if you put in the time and you put in the work, you will find in 2025 products that are great opportunities with a ton of potential in low competition. What DataDive does is it helps you get through this workflow very fast.